New York hokimligini qo'lga olgan Zoran Mamdani ishining ilk soatlarida nima bilan band?
Bullying mainstream on the rise, especially against our trans and queer community. And you've been outspoken in your support for trans and queer people. Today, while we get out the vote, what is your message to our trans and queer New Yorkers?
Too often the question is just, will you protect trans and queer New Yorkers? And I think actually the question should be, will you celebrate and cherish those New Yorkers? And I will do all of those things, because I think what we've seen, especially in the final days of this race, is that the desperation from other candidates has shown their willingness to discard whichever set of New Yorkers they deem to be disposable. And it's time to actually understand that every single person who calls the city home is a person who deserves to be served by City Hall, not sacrificed.
Boom. So don't be an ass.
Birodarlar, tushunmaganlar uchun qisqacha tushuntiraman. Ya'ni bu Tailandga borib quruq kelmagan erkak savol beryapti. Ko'plab tepadagilar bizga qarshi ketyapti, diskriminatsiya qilyapti. Sen shu narsani oldini olasanmi, bizni himoyanga olasanmi deyapti. Zoran Mamdani aytishi bo'yicha New Yorkda hech qanaqa diskriminatsiya bo'lmaydi va ular himoya ostida bo'ladi. Birodarlar, u musulmon dedimi, men uni musulmon deb tan olaman. Lekin men eng hayron qolgan joyim, aynan bizni yurtdoshlarimiz uni pateshka qilib, biz Zoran Mamdanidan najot topamiz, umid topamiz, endi migrantlar yashaydi degan payt Zoran Mamdani aynan LGBT flagini ko'tarib yurgandi. Hech qanaqa migrantlarga hozircha navbat kelgani yo'q.